Ja pazi da ne bira s rukama.
Dobro, ma daj, isto se baka.
Okay, girl. Don't think that. Ajde, 1, 2. Sad ruku. Another one. Now we cut the cake.
And now sing Ava. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ne? A jebi ga mala, pa kakav je to rođendan?
We did.
That's so funny.
She made it so clear, like,
you never know what's gonna happen.
She wants to blow the candle.
Jebeš rođendan bez pjesme.
That was the same thing this morning. She was like, we're gonna cut the cake.
Let's go take a look at the cake.
There you go. I'm gonna give this to the girl. There you go, girl. You're welcome. And there is another one from Maya and Cassidy. You have to split it in half. Can you?
Isn't that nice?
There you go.
Ooh, look
There's a
at the
little
size
plate.
of that.
Patty, can you just spread the plate? Just give
Am I
the
giving
to
Ava
everyone.
carrot or chocolate?
Carrot for sure.
I'll break it.
Give it to Mama.
Give it to Mama. Give it to Mama. Oh, they can break it in half. Break it in half.
Cute, I go.
Well, no, aren't you supposed to use the, what's the highlight?
Carrot cake.
With the 2-minute approach window?
You already have some.
Okay.
All
This
right.
is movie. I go there and one moment you.
You got it.
Okay.
Okay.
You want chocolate? You want chocolate? Who wants carrot?
Yeah.
You know. Anybody else carrot?
It's okay.
Thank
It's
you.
movie going.
Okay.
Yes. It's going.
any cake?
Yay! Yay!
Hang on, man.
Okay.
On the chocolate. I'm on the chocolate.
Chocolate.
Don't need the papa. Don't need the papa.
Very nice. Go over there. Let me take a picture too.
You want chocolate?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my God! Look at that chocolate cake. That looks like unbelievable.
Yay!
It is
Come
unbelievable.
on, Grandma. Big smile.
Marco.
Well, I hear John actually going to work over there.
Yeah.
That's a big one. Can we cut that in half?
Big pressure job.
I understand that.
Avica. Šta papaš?
Oh, that's important.
Tako ti je carrot cake?
Je fino? Je?
I've done your duties.
Take a bite.